My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, among those who will cry, our imam, our imams, our scholars, some of them will cry on the day of judgment. I'm standing before you. Am I doing this for the sake of Allah, or I'm doing it to be praised? I'm doing it for you to say I am somebody. If this is the case, I will lose, I will regret. Our imam, that imam, this reciter. ماذا فعلت؟ ما فعلت؟ What did you do? تعلمت فيك العلم تعلمت العلم وعلمته وقرأت فيك القرآن. Ya Allah, I learned religious knowledge and I taught religious knowledge. وقرأت فيك القرآن. And I say, Allah will say, كذبت, you are lying. تعلمت العلم ليقال عالم. Yes, you learn for people to say you are a scholar, you are a good scholar, you are a fine scholar, you had a lot of knowledge. You did that because you want people to praise you. فقد قيل, they already said it. وقرأت ليقال قارئ. لا إله إلا الله. وقرأت ليقال قارئ. You read for people to say, wow, he has a beautiful voice. You did that for people? Am I doing that for people? Are you doing that for people? If yes, lost. Allah doesn't want it. If this is what we are doing for people to praise us, that is zero. Let's fear Allah and do everything for Allah. May Allah forgive us.